Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable the dark mode on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your settings application on your Android phone, and after that you have to find a display setting. So wait guys, and this is the display setting, so just tap on it. Then since we want to enable dark mode, we just need to click on dark mode right here. And right after you click on this dark mode, the dark mode will be activated. Wait guys. Okay, and now the dark mode has been activated, and actually there is another way to activate the dark mode. We can swipe down our screen like this to go to the notification panel. Then we can swipe down one more time. Then we can slide left our screen. Then we just need to click on this dark mode button. Okay guys, and that's how we can enable dark mode on Android phone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.